Hi, and welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall and Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today we're focusing on chicken. Virginia is the center of the chicken universe. Right? So we've got beautiful chicken thighs here, and we're going to fix them with a recipe from Puerto Rico, from the islands. It's called Pinchos. And we're going to skewer these up and grill them. So let me get started on that. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this chicken into small enough pieces. I've got some of them already skewered here, but I'm going to make a skewer so you can see how that gets done. You thread them on, so you go into the chicken and then out of the chicken and then into the chicken and on. So it kind of makes it a little bit of an accordion shape, right? So into the chicken, out of the chicken, right, into the chicken and out of the chicken. So I'm going to put these down here with these, and I'm going to take some oil, all right, and brush these with a little bit of oil. And mostly this is going to be to help distribute the heat so that they cook evenly, but also so it'll adhere some of the seasoning. And I've got two different seasonings I'm going to put on here because Puerto Ricans eat some spicy food, but this isn't hot spicy so much. And so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of adobo, right, which is spicy but not hot. And there's a difference between spicy and hot. Spicy means that the spices are robust and they come through easily. Hot means it's hot to the tongue. And this is Saison, which is a little bit more heat. So, and the recipe for Saison is going to be with this, is with this on the website. So, it doesn't take long for that to get hot. These are wonderful little things. Put these on there. The camera crew always wants me to make sure they have enough for them to be able to testify to the flavor. They're the quality control group. All right. So this is going to take about 10 minutes to cook on both sides. All right, these pinchos are just about ready. I've got another step to do before I pull them off the grill. I'm using a grill that's designed for indoors, but it still does make a little bit of smoke. So it's great on the outdoor grill. If you're going to cook them indoors, this works well, as long as you do it at the stove where you've got an exhaust fan. And if you don't have that, you can do these on the sheet pan and put them in the oven, or you can actually put them in a griddle or in a cast iron skillet and cook them on the top of the stove. So these are not required to be done over an open fire. It just makes them better. Right? So I'm getting ready now to the last step. And this is a little barbecue sauce. Barbecue is actually an Indian word from the Caribbean. Barbacoa was how they cooked. It was over fire on these grills made from soaked wood. And so our whole concept of barbecue comes to us from the Arawak Indians of the Caribbean. There we go. We're going to let that now kind of ooze in there a bit. These smell just wonderful. I think these are just about ready. They feel done. They look gorgeous. So I'm going to get this plate over here, all right, and come down, get this set up. Beautiful color on them. I only lost the skewer off of one of them. I think that's getting close to my record. See, this one burned off the end of the sticker. So now we got our. So we've got pinchos from Puerto Rico. Beautiful dish, tasty, it's spicy, it's wonderful. And it's easy to do at home. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.